Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on tangrams. A tangram starts off with a square. The square is cut up into different plane shapes. These shapes can be a mixture of triangles, smaller squares, parallelograms, etc. When the shapes are cut up, they can be rearranged to form many interesting and different shapes. Here is an example of a 5-piece tangram. So it's a square divided into 5 different shapes. A simple form of a tangram is seen below. The original square is cut into 5 pieces. This is another example of a 5-piece tangram. A good exercise would be to draw either of the above tangrams, cut out each individual shape, and see how many different shapes can be made. The following tangram consists of 7 flat shapes that fit together neatly to form a large square. Like the 5-piece tangram, the 7 shapes are rearranged to form many other shapes. The 7-piece tangram is a popular puzzle and is used all around the world. The 7-piece tangram consists of the following smaller shapes called tans. There are 2 large triangles, 1 medium triangle, 2 small triangles, 1 square, and 1 parallelogram. When the smaller pieces are rearranged, they fit together to form a number of different animals. This activity is very popular among students and adults because of the challenges it presents. Some of the animals formed are seen on the next slide. So how good is that? So these are the 7 pieces that can form a bird. There's a swan, there's a horse, and there's a cat. Many more animals can be constructed by rearranging the shapes. Other shapes like the following can also be made. So we have a rocket and a person. Can you rearrange the shapes to form any other picture? So this has been an interesting video introducing the idea of a tangram, showing how the tangram can be divided into smaller shapes, and then the shapes can be rearranged to form many other different figures.